Let me save you 6 months of frustration in 2026. I made 5 brutal mistakes that completely killed my YouTube growth. I had no views, no subscribers, nothing. So if you're a small content creator, watch this before you waste your time like I did. Hello guys, my name is Constance Lubisi and you're welcome to my channel. As at the time I started YouTube, I thought YouTube growth was just about posting. So I uploaded as much as I could, but I was doing everything wrong. And today I'm breaking down the exact 5 mistakes that completely slowed my growth so you don't repeat them. Number 1, posting without a clear niche. As at the time I started posting on YouTube, I started with long form videos. One day I was posting on DIYs, basically on how to revamp your old sandals, redesign your old earrings. And the next day I was posting beauty, how to style your hair and how to draw your brows and all of that. So YouTube didn't know who to push my content to. But when I focused on what caught him, which was fashion, mistakes and styling tips, my views became consistent. And that simply means growth comes from clarity. So here's the key fact. Choose one content lane and dominate it. Secondly, I ignored thumbnails and titles. No one wants to click on a video that looks boring. My thumbnails were dark, my thumbnails were cluttered with little to no text. Like, I didn't even put so much effort. I didn't think I needed to put in more effort for the videos to go far as regards to my thumbnails and my titles. So my videos didn't make much growth. And then my text looked so generic. Things like revamp your sandals, those were like direct words. But in 2026, attention is everything. If your title doesn't trigger curiosity or emotions, people will scroll past. So here's the key facts. Make your title emotional and then your thumbnail, make it simple and bold. Third mistake that I made was that I didn't study my analytics. I would post video and disappear for days. I didn't go through my YouTube studio to check how my videos were performing. I didn't check my audience retention. I didn't check my click-through rates. I only posted a video and I waited for some days or weeks, then I'll post another. But when I started studying my analytics, I realized that people stopped watching my videos after 20 seconds. So that was when I knew I had to fix my hooks. So here's the key fact. Study your analytics because they are the blueprint to your growth. If you don't study your analytics and know what actually people and know the content people consume from your channel. The fourth mistake I made was I didn't optimize my shorts. Talking about shorts, I've seen a lot of content creators. Maybe people say shorts harm your videos, but to me, shorts is actually the game changer for me. I never had as much views I have now as regards to when I post shorts. Those days when I posted my long form videos, I barely had up to 50 views. I barely had 70 views. But the moment I realized that shorts is actually the game changer, I started getting more views. Those were actually where my views were coming in. My views became consistent and also gave me subscribers. So don't overlook shorts. Our channels I know, they are basically known for shorts. So here's the key fact. Use shorts to attract and use long form videos to convert. Mistake number 5. And I didn't give viewers reason to subscribe. And that's actually funny. Then I would always say subscribe for more. But subscribe for what exactly? I never really gave them reason to subscribe. So the moment I stopped saying subscribe for more in every videos I make, I started getting subscribers because I feel viewers need to have some sort of connection with your content before they subscribe. You have to give them a reason to why they want to subscribe to your channel. Why would they always want to come back to your channel? So the moment I stopped saying subscribe, I get more viewers and I get more subscribers. Here's the key fact. Give your viewers clear benefits for subscribing. So if you're looking to grow your channel this year, don't just upload content. Upload quality and strategic content. With that being said, we've come to the end of this video. Comment growth in the comment section if you know you're not fitting this year. Let's grow together. I will see you in my next video. Bye.